The 6 benefits of consuming papaya seeds. Although their flavor may not be to everyone's liking, papaya seeds have great benefits for your health you should take advantage of. Which are the best ones? Papaya is a fruit native to Mexico, but that is cultivated in many countries of the world. However, not many people know about the great benefits of eating papaya seeds. So, why have they become popular? What nutrients do they provide? These small seeds, like many others, have a concentration of bioactive compounds that contribute to your well-being. In fact, in recent years they've been the subject of scientific research, as it's believed they serve as an adjuvant to healthcare. They also provide monounsaturated fatty acids, such as oleic acid, as detailed in a study published in the Journal of Food Lipids. To a lesser extent, they are a source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, nutrients that help improve the quality of the diet. 1. They help control fungus. Thanks to its antifungal properties, papaya seed can be used as an ally to fight some infections caused by fungi. Papaya seed extract was effective against 3 different strains of fungi. 2. They help against food poisoning. Although food poisoning should be treated by a physician, papaya seeds can serve as an adjuvant for its treatment. The extract made from papaya seeds can be effective against microorganisms such as E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, among others. 3. Excellent for digestion. Papaya seeds make a slight contribution to dietary fiber and, because of this, contribute to improved digestion. Fiber is a nutrient that moves through your gastrointestinal tract undigested, adding bulk to the stool to facilitate its expulsion. 4. Natural antiparasitic. Papaya seeds aren't a first-line treatment against parasitic infections. However, despite this, there are studies that suggest they may be useful in dealing with some types of parasites. 5. Renal protection. While the evidence is still limited, studies suggest that papaya consumption may help protect the health of your kidneys. Furthermore, in an animal study published, a papaya seed extract helped prevent kidney damage in rats given a drug to induce toxicity. 6. Anti-inflammatory activity. Because of their significant contribution to flavonoid substances, papaya seeds have a slight anti-inflammatory action that contributes to the prevention of chronic diseases. However, scientists need to conduct more studies to evaluate how this effect occurs.